Hi, ladies and gents. We're going to accelerate. We're going to calculate the acceleration of gravity on another planet. And I chose Jupiter. You could choose any planet as long as you know the mass and the radius. And this is how this works. We have two equations for force of gravity. One of the equations we have for force of gravity is mass times the acceleration of gravity. The other one is g, mass 1, mass 2 divided by the radius squared. Now, one of these masses is going to be the mass of the planet. This is going to be the radius of the planet. What is the other mass? Well, the other mass is a test mass. This could be the mass of a person, mass of a puppy, whatever, but it's going to fall out of the equation. So the acceleration of gravity on another planet is going to be equal to g, the mass of that planet, divided by the radius of that planet squared. So let's go ahead and figure this out for one of the king of our planets in our solar system, Jupiter. So it's going to be g. G is 6.672 times 10 to the negative 11th Newton meters squared per kilogram squared. It's a universal gravitation constant. That's going to be multiplied by the mass of the planet, and Jupiter is 1.90 times 10 to the 27 kilograms, divided by the radius squared, and we just need the radius of the planet, 6.99 times 10 to the 7th meters quantity squared, and that will give us the acceleration of gravity. So on Jupiter, it's 25.9 meters per second squared. Let's take a look at the units, and where the heck does this come from? Well, here we go. Newton meter squared per kilogram squared. Newton is a kilogram meter per second squared. That's my Newton. Times meter squared, that's times my meter squared, times another kilogram over here. On the bottom, kilogram squared, and here, meter squared. Okay, let's make sense out of all this stuff. Kilogram here, kilogram there, cancels both of those. This meter squared cancels that meter squared, and hallelujah, look what I got left over, meters per second squared. I've got acceleration units. If you look at the units, you'll know if you did your algebra right. All right, see you later.